Curl your thumbs inside your fingers and place the fists beside the navel. This strengthens the liver, spleen, intestines, pancreas, and digestion. It makes the whole system strong. This is another part of Mandukasana. Place your left palm on the navel, then the right on top. If you can't sit in Vajrasana, do it while sitting in Sukhasana. Good for the stomach and diabetes. If the stomach is fine, life is fine. Most people face stomach issues and throat problems. Then the mind suffers and life becomes difficult. Yoga heals the stomach and improves the throat. It calms the mind too. That's why we say yoga for body, yoga for mind, yoga for soul, yoga for all. Do each practice like this for half a minute to a minute. Your stomach improves from day one. Diabetes also comes under control. From day one, you gain control over your body, mind, thoughts, your feelings, your awareness, and your energy. This is the real goal, working on your body, mind, thoughts, your emotions, and your energy. That is our true work. We must understand all this, awaken it, and guide it right. After Mandukasana, do Shashankasana. Exhale and bend forward. Doing Shashankasana gently for a minute helps the stomach, back, heart, and mind feel much better. Bending forward also builds humility. So, we start our morning by bowing to Mother Earth. We say, Mother, I am your child. We bow to our parents and teachers, to the sages, to our masters, and to their sacred lineage. Honor the mother, honor the father, honor the teacher, honor the guest. Honor the nation is also part of our culture. After Mandukasana, then if someone has flexibility after bending forward, yoga includes bending backward too. Lean back as much as you comfortably can. Bring your knees closer if possible. If not, it is still fine. Do as much as you can. This is Supta Vajrasana. You can do it this way too. This way also works. Keep both hands locked behind the head. You can do the backward bend easily while sitting in Vajrasana. Raise your heels in Vajrasana, sit like this and lift the body as much as you can. Everyone can lift a little. Slowly, you lift more. The whole back rises and the neck opens. Like Vajrasana, people sitting in Padmasana also practice this. The forward bending practice is called Yogamudra Asana. The backward bending practice is done as Supta Vajrasana or Matsyasana. Try to do as much as you can within your capacity. Place your left palm on the navel and the right hand on top. Lean forward and rest your chin on the floor. You need this much flexibility. When you bend for 20 to 30 seconds or up to a minute, the stomach improves from day one. People with gas, constipation, acidity, colitis, or ulcerative colitis, even ulcers or hernia, feel relief from the first day. Those with a visible navel also benefit immediately. If you do Mandukasana or Yoga Mudra on the very first day, and also Matsyasana, Padmasana or Navel, your stomach improves fast. And with Kapalbhati and Anulom, Bilom along with these poses. Mandukasana, Yoga Mudra, Vakrasana, Matsyasana, Padmasana and Navel. 5 to 7 poses. Sugar levels drop for many people from the very first day. Such is the greatness of yoga. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out and only then bend forward. Stay there. That is how you get results. Rushing will not help. Don't bend forward and come back immediately. Even if you start with half a minute, you'll notice on day one, your stomach feels better. In simple everyday language, we say, when the stomach empties and you press it, you hear a bubbling sound. Like clouds rumbling in the sky. Some people have such a heavy and tight abdomen that the whole stomach feels blocked. When the stomach is full all the time, it becomes a big issue. It disrupts the whole digestive system. It also affects the heart and breathing. Everything gets disturbed. That is why those with a large belly are more likely to get diabetes and face liver and kidney problems. Women may face infertility. Men may have sexual disorders. Then heart problems follow and breathing issues too. All these problems arise. A big belly is truly a serious issue. And if someone's stomach is too thin, they don't feel hungry either. Their intestines remain full and the stomach stays tight. The stomach should be soft, like smooth dough, gentle and flexible. It should be tender, not hard. Your finger should not hurt when pressing it. A stone-like stomach or a stone-like heart is not good. A person should not have a rigid belly or heart. One should not be hard like a rock, inside or outside. Anyway, bend forward. You can also bend with your hands placed behind you. Those who are very flexible can hold their hands behind the back and then bend forward easily. Do all this, the body must be trained and prepared properly first. In Padmasana, lean back. Forward and backward bends help balance the body. These front and back bends improve overall body balance. The body becomes steady. Now gently turn your neck back. Use your fingers to reach and hold your big toes. Make sure both knees touch the ground. This forms Supta Vajrasana or Matsyasana. Many can't do Ardha Matsyasana because it needs more flexibility. Building that flexibility takes some time. So we teach Vakrasana. Bend your right leg and place it near the left foot and thigh. Bring your left hand forward. Cross the right leg and hold the left knee from above. Then gently twist your body. Yes. Do this on both sides. It helps the stomach and the pancreas. It is very good for improving flexibility. This is Vakrasana. Today we also practice Gomukhasana. Then practice pranayama followed by pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Practice Ashtanga yoga daily. Fold the left leg below and place the right leg on top. If the body feels heavy, stay here. If you are lighter, sit back on your heels comfortably. Lift the same arm up and take your arm behind. Repeat the same on the other side. Practice these asanas daily for at least 10 to 20 minutes.